Compostable cutlery, a step towards a greener earth. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating and environmentally friendly topic: compostable cutlery. This is a concept that's gaining popularity around the world, especially among those of us who are concerned about the health of our planet. So, what exactly is compostable cutlery? Let's dive in and find out. Remember, understanding these terms not only helps us improve our English but also our awareness of sustainable practices. Compostable cutlery is a type of eating utensil that is designed to break down into natural elements in a compost environment, leaving no toxicity in the soil. This means that unlike traditional plastic cutlery, which can take hundreds of years to decompose, compostable cutlery can turn into compost that helps plants grow. These utensils are usually made from materials like cornstarch, potato starch, or other biodegradable materials. In this section, we'll explore why making the switch to compostable cutlery is a crucial step towards reducing our environmental footprint. The production and disposal of plastic cutlery contributes significantly to pollution and harm marine life. Compostable cutlery, on the other hand, offers a sustainable alternative that can help reduce waste and protect our ecosystems. By choosing compostable options, we're not just making a simple change in our eating habits. We're contributing to a larger movement for the health of our planet. Knowing how to use and dispose of compostable cutlery properly is key to maximizing its environmental benefits. Firstly, it's important to use compostable cutlery only when necessary. Reusable cutlery is always the best option for the environment. When you do use compostable cutlery, make sure to dispose of it in a compost bin rather than a regular trash bin. Not all places have composting facilities, so it's crucial to be aware of your local waste management practices. We hope this video has shed some light on what compostable cutlery is and why it's an excellent choice for those of us looking to live more sustainably. Remember, every small action counts in our journey towards a greener earth. By choosing compostable cutlery, you're not just making a difference in reducing waste, you're also spreading awareness about sustainable living. Thank you for watching. And let's continue to make choices that help protect our beautiful planet.